Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our pattern Tae-Kwon Hyung. In this tutorial, we'll be working with the third merit of a good pattern, which is focus. Now, what focus means is that I look at what I'm doing, I look where I'm going. For example, if I'm doing a set of punches, a lunge punch and a reverse punch, I'm looking right where those punches are going. I'm not looking up at the ceiling, I'm not looking down at the floor, I'm not looking at myself in the mirror, I'm looking at where those punches are going. If I was punching in self-defense, that's what I would be doing. Look at my target, strike my target. I wouldn't be looking away. The same thing is true of a block. If I want a block to be effective, like the outer forearm block, I wouldn't be looking up at the sky. I would be looking at that haymaker punch that I'm trying to block. I'm not going to be able to meet it with my block if I don't focus on it, if I don't look at it. Second part, look where I'm going. If I'm going to change directions, I need to lead that change with my eyes. If I am in my wedge guard, moving away, at this point my focus is this way, out in front of me, where my opponent would be. I'm moving away, I'm disengaging, but I'm not looking away. My focus only changes when I have to engage another opponent back there. At that point, I look, and then I move into whatever defense I need to make. But I let my eyes lead me. So as we go through today, we're going to work a bit with focus. When we are changing to a new direction, I'm going to say, look. We'll shift our eyes, and then we will move into that new direction. But we'll always lead with our eyes. All right, let's work with this together. Again, we'll be going by my count, and we're still using the first two merits, proper technique and power. All right, 준비, Tae-Kwon Hyung, my count, working with focus. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back to ready. Show you. Okay. And that is Tae-Kwon Hyung working with the third merit of a good pattern, which is focus. Look at what you're doing. Look where you're going.